I want to respond to two motions. The first motion about the governor of Meru, Kawira Mwangaza. Then the second motion that is touching on Jimmy Wanjigi and the 2027 presidential elections. To begin with, Mr. Speaker, while I was watching the motion on the floor of the House today, I felt very sad because once again they were talking about the governor of Meru County, Mama Kawira Mwangaza. It is so disheartening that you realize MCAs of Meru County once again impeaching the governor of that county. And there are reasons as to why they are impeaching that governor. There are reasons that are helping the common mwananchi. Because number one, the governor is talking about the payroll, which needs to be cleaned. It means she's talking about accountability, which the MCAs of that county are against. Therefore, I would ask the Senate of the Republic of Kenya, let them be very, very careful, very, very keen on this issue. And I would ask them, let them not form any committee to check into this issue. But this issue should be on the floor, on the plenary, so that Kenyans can also see, Kenyans can also listen to the issues raised by those members of that county. If they are genuine, let her go home. If they are not genuine, please allow that woman work. Because we are living in a country whereby we need to encourage women leadership so that we can also have equality and equity, so that our females can also be part of governance of this country. Mr. Speaker, my second talk is about Jimmy Wanjigi and 2027 presidential elections. My people, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Speaker, politics, in my view, has only two laws: the law of convergence and the law of divergence. And this law only checks on interest. If my interest and the other person's interest come together, my people, we shall converge. And that is the reason I'm saying, if Jimmy Wanjigi is interested in coming for presidency in 2027, he has already lost very early in the morning. Because my good friend William Ruto is going to beat him. 100%. If Raila Odinga has decided to support William Ruto and work with William Ruto and take experts from ODM to involve in his government, I want to tell you it is going to be very hard for any other candidate to beat President William Ruto in 2027. Because again, politics is about numbers, politics is about interest. Those who have been taken to government, if they serve the people of Kenya, why should we not vote Ruto for 2027? And my good friend Jimmy Wanjigi, why only this time? Because we've had so many presidents in office. Why only William Ruto? And why only when we have a broad-based government? A government that is going to check on the interest of the common people. Because my people, look, we've got a new cabinet. It is barely 1 week they have been in office. Why don't we give them time to see what they can do for the people of Kenya? Because if cabinet secretaries were just appointed and sworn in the other day, they have not taken time to do their work. We should allow them, we should support them and encourage them to serve the people of Kenya. And that is what the Gen Zs were talking about. We need accountability. Let us give these people time to serve, to work and see what they can deliver. If they fail, let us tell them to leave the office. Finally, Mr. Speaker, on Monday, the president is going to Nyanza.
1 minute, my brother. Continue.
I want to welcome William Ruto to Nyanza. Yeah. Because for the first time in history, the people of Nyanza had never seen the Ministry of Finance.
Yes.
It has finally come home. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, we had never seen the position of the Attorney General. Finally, it is home. And therefore, I would ask my Nyanza brothers and sisters, Let us welcome the president, let us give him a listening ear, and let us engage with him so that when he comes back to Nairobi, at least something is home for us to celebrate. Thank you all and may God bless you.
Thank you, member.